right, it's Saturday. It's been 3 days at Fit Service, so we've gotten alignment, clutch, bushings, all kinds of things to the car. Take a look. She's been pressure washed. We've even pressure washed the inside. That's been cleaned. Nick's hard at work there getting everything cleaned up. All the oils have been changed, greased up, front end alignment. This car is rocking and ready. It's actually cleaner than when we started all this. So she's ready for tomorrow. We leave about 8 a.m. and we're back in the game with everyone else. So we're gonna see how all goes. Hopefully she's ready to rock and roll, and we can keep from breaking her for at least a day or two. So Nick and I'll check back with you, tell you how it goes, and you'll see it all. Talk to you soon. All right, looks like we're pretty cleaned up and ready to go, and a lot of people have taken our spot in there. So there's a couple of cars from the race now in Fit Service, 20 Sunbeam, a Volvo 1800 wagon. We'll take a quick look at those. But she's a beauty now, look at. It's almost ready to go. Just got to get the bill, and that's the bad news. We'll find out what that's really going to be. Hopefully it's as affordable as it was when we were in Ulaanbaatar, but we're going to have to see. Take a look. Fit Service. These are the guys that did everything in record time. Great people, really worked hard, great mechanics, very clean shop. Again, leaves a lot to be desired in the US, the way shops are organized. This one is very well organized. So, you know, we're pretty happy. Nick's taking it for a drive, seems to go well. We're gonna see. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Take a look at what's going on now. A lot going on in the shop. It's day 23, and we've arrived at the celebrations, and look what they brought out for us. Take a look. Quite the celebration. They're making a big deal out of it. We hope to only be here for a few minutes. We're going to go get some exhaust work done, get prepared for the next 2 days, which involve over 600 kilometers each day of driving with a number of tests in between. So hope we're up to it. So I'll check back with you in a bit. See ya. Hey guys, so we've come to Novgorod, Russia, and we've come to a university, college, and part of the college has instructions for automotive technology. So we're actually going to use the shop, and some of the people here are going to help us fix it. Take a look. Anastasia, she's helped us.
Anastasia's she's studying automotive and also service.
Pretty modern shop here, actually.
цели интересуешься?
Мне просто факт. Я не тороплюсь.
Кто бы знал.
Понятно.
That's not something we see too often in the United States, pits, but they're pretty common here in Russia.
Ну, хватит тебе.
It was cheaper and quicker to build
Что, есть? Чем?
than
Там?
to get a lift.
I think they're actually more usable. The problem is that, you know, some of the safety issues with fire and other things that people have had, they've got to be well ventilated.
Что на месте придет?
A bit more oil leaking than I would have liked.
Yeah, I think it's getting worse. It's from there.
Yeah, it looks
Is
like
that
mine.
bearing?
Looks like it might be a.
Front bearing?
Yeah, I think it's oil pan.
I wonder what this
Yeah, it
is.
looks like oil pan.
Илюша, проворачивай. Назад. Давай, идет. Давай, может, прыгну? Давай. Для святости. Ну.
Они уже там болтался, но я отвалилась.
Нужно отомять.
Сам главное все разбирается.
We're on the Peking to Paris Rally 2019. See you soon.